Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe simply leave a comment that says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a device that everyone should have in their home, and it is a smoke detector by a company called XSense. So this is the box that it comes in once you order it, and this particular model is the SD2J0AX. I know that's a mouthful, but why I think this is really, really cool is it has a 10-year battery on it. So no more chirping in the middle of the night. This device has a battery, you simply put it up, and you don't have to think about it for another 10 years, which is absolutely great. So once you open it up, you're naturally going to get some instructions, which is pretty self-explanatory. We're going to go over all the features. You are going to get some hardware included to mount it up. You're going to get some screws here. And then you're going to get the smoke detector itself. So you have the mounting bracket itself. So you're just going to simply put this on the wall or the ceiling, depending on where you're mounting it. And you have your two little screws, which you can screw in there like so. And then this guy, you're just going to line up and then twist into position, and it locks away. Now, one of the cool things about this smoke detector is it has kind of all these little ribs along here. And that's going to give it the 360-degree detection. It does have the chip in here, so it will be able to detect smoldering fires to kind of give you that advanced warning before the fire becomes completely out of control. There is in there a little kind of metal grate around the sensors, and that's kind of their insect-proof setup. So it's designed to keep little spiders and bugs out of there. If that is an issue, I guess, or depending on where you place it. Now, to give you an idea of the size here, it's approximately 4 3/4 inch in diameter. As you can see, it's a circle. And then the depth here is approximately 1 3/4 inches tall. Now, on the back, it does give you, it says that, it has a 3-volt lithium battery, and it gives you a date of manufacture. So, like, this one was manufactured in April. When it comes, it's already, the battery is activated. They do have right here on the side to go ahead and put in the date of install, so that way you know when to change it out, because you obviously don't want to not change it out and then the battery die on you. I actually would recommend using the manufacturer date, because that's when it's going to start using that battery draw. If it's pretty close to the install date, you can utilize that one too. But it has a sticker, so you can simply put that and see it. However, it does have a little button right here that you can press for the weekly tests. I typically just do it once a month. All right, I'm going to press the little button. It's going to get really loud. So there you go. As you can heard, you have the ear-piercing test. So you need to have it mounted in the bracket to do that. Just one thing to note. But you have the loud buzzer, and also if you do have the smoke detector going off, so let's say you burn something in the kitchen, like bacon or something, and it goes off, you can simply press that button again, and it will silence it for 9 minutes. And then if it's still detecting smoke, it will run again. So you can just press that to go ahead and turn off that alarm if you need to. But overall, it's a pretty straightforward smoke detector. Like I said, everybody should have smoke detectors in their houses. And what's great about this is that 10-year battery. That's what makes it kind of unique. The fact that you do not have to worry about those midnight chirps that drive us all crazy, where you have to go and fiddle with your smoke detector to change out the battery while you're all sleepy, because those things don't seem to go off during the day. Now, this particular one is just a one-off, but they also do have a model where you can have them connected to other smoke detectors so they all go off at the same time, if that is something you are looking for. But overall, it is a great little smoke detector. If you are in the market of replacing your smoke detectors, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.